Hi, this is Mrs. Fiedler. Today we are going to be talking about citing your sources. And when I say citing your sources, I mean creating a page that tells everybody who's looking at your product where you got your information from. If you recall from the video clip that we saw about the TRAP method, one of the A's in the TRAP method is about authority. When people are looking at your iMovie video, they want to know, are you an authority on this subject? Where did you find your information from? So we're going to tell them that, and also we're going to give credit where credit is due. We're going to credit the author of the book that you used. So there are lots of different styles of how you can create a works cited page. Sometimes it's called a resource page, sometimes it's called a bibliography, but they're all pages that cite your sources. The style that we're going to use is called MLA, which stands for Modern Language Association. And it's a certain way of putting your sources down in a certain order, in a certain style. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to be honest with you. Today's mission has a lot of steps. There are 9 steps to be exact, but I feel like if you take them slowly and you pay attention, you and your partner will do fine on this. Just pay close attention and read every step. The first thing you're going to do is log into your Chromebook. One teammate might log into their Chromebook while the other gets the book that they used from the My United States series. Then you're going to go to our Google Classroom. In the stream, the top assignment is Greetings Day 7. Click on that. Then you'll see that there is a link to a Google slide. You're going to click on that and you must create a copy. Notice that. Create a copy in order to edit it. From there, we're going to go to our Wake ID portal. In our Wake ID portal, we're going to go here to NC Wise Owl, and then we're going to click on Elementary School. Once you're in NC Wise Owl, you're going to go to Citation Maker. Once you're in the Citation Maker, notice over here on the right this purple box. This is where we're going to choose what type of source you used. So of course we're going to choose book or encyclopedia because that's what the My United States series is. It's a book series. And then once you click on that, you'll notice over here it's basically an online form that you fill out. So you and your partner can do this together. You're going to find all of the answers for this form on your title page, and your substitute can show you what the title page looks like in the book. There's one question that you're going to need to flip on the back of the title page to find the answer to, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so the first question is how many authors? This one has one author. The last name is Smithson, and the first name is Cody. Notice it's important to capitalize. Spelling is important. This author does not have a middle initial, so we're going to skip that. The next question is title, and we're citing an entire book because you all used the entire book for your information. And the title of this book is My United States, Ohio. You can skip the edition and you can skip the volume for this. The publisher, if you notice on the title page, the publisher for this series is Children's Press. And the publication year, that's where you're going to have to flip on the back side of the title page. Look about 3/4 of the way down, and you're looking for the symbol of a C with a circle around it. And then there's a date after that. And in this case, that indicates the copyright date. And in the case of this book, the copyright date, the publication year is 2018. The next question is, was this accessed online? No, we used the book. We didn't go online for this. And then if you read the instructions, it says your citation is complete. Check your spelling and capitalization. It all looks good. And then click on Create Citation below. And here we are. Here's our citation. It's all done perfectly in the Modern Language Association, or the MLA format. So we're going to highlight that. Remember, on a Chromebook, in order to copy and paste, you're going to highlight the whole thing, and you're going to do Control C. If you notice over here, you press the Control key plus C, and that will copy it. Okay, we're going to go back to our Google Classroom, and remember, you should have clicked on the Works Cited template, and it won't let you make any changes to it. It is view only, so you have to make a copy in order to make changes. And to do that, you go to File, Make a Copy, and now we can edit. So now we're in the copy of the Works Cited template. We're going to click in the text box, and in order to paste, you're going to do Control key plus V, Control V, and there we are. Now, personally, I think that font's a little small, so I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go up here, and let's make it 18, maybe even a little bit bigger. Let's make it 24. Okay. Now we have to save it as an image file, because remember, we're going to be putting this into our iMovie. This is going to be the last slide on the iMovie trailer. So we're going to go to File, Download as, JPEG image. That's the format that iMovie accepts, JPEG image, and click that. On the Chromebook, it automatically saves into your Google Drive, which is awesome. So that's it. I know that's a lot of steps. There are 9 steps, but if you follow them carefully, you'll have your Works Cited page saved as an image. So the next time we get together and you create your iTunes trailers to advertise your state, you can easily upload your Works Cited page to that. I would suggest that the substitute leave this page up on the screen so that the students can follow all the steps. The steps are also in your Google Classroom. If you have any questions, just ask. Good luck.